Hello everyone, welcome back to episode number 2 of To Buy or Buy. Today we're talking about a few Bath & Body products as well as a few eye products. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as always, these are products I've used in their entirety. I've gathered my thoughts on them and I'm going to share them today. So let's go ahead and start with the bath products. The first one I have is one that I absolutely love and I will totally repurchase it. Right now I'm just finishing another scent of the same company, but this is Soap & Glory The Righteous Butter, and oh, it's like Coco Chanel, but it's got a little bit of rose in it and it smells so expensive and just wonderful, and the butteriness of this butter is so good. I totally love this. This is the Soap & Glory, like I said, the Righteous Butter. It's softening shea butter and aloe vera, and I slather this stuff on like twice a day. I also have, there's like a morning one that tastes more like cookies and everything. It's like Smoothie Star, I think, and that's the one I'm finishing right now. But yes, totally recommend this body butter. It's not super expensive and it's totally worth it. Totally repurchasing. The next one is a scent that brings me back to my high school years, and this is Victoria's Secret Love Spell. This is their fragrance body wash. So I use this in the shower. I generally go like twice a year and just stock up on these when they're on sale, because I think that they're a really nice smelling body wash, kind of scents your entire room and your bathroom. Their scent, Love Spell, is just, oh, I don't know what, I think it's violet is the scent of it that is in here, and it is intoxicating. I love it so much. My sister used to hate this smell, still does, but it's one of my faves, so I always have used it. Definitely will eventually repurchase that if I don't have the backup already. And then this is another bath product, and this is something more for actual bath time. It's the Eucalyptus Spearmint Bath Soak from Bath & Body Works. So this is an aromatherapy product, and you basically take these bath salt crystals and you pour them down at the bottom of your bath while your bath is preparing and getting nice and warm, and it disintegrates and really makes your bath smell like eucalyptus and spearmint essential oils. It recommends that you take 3 to 4 capfuls of the bath soak and put it in running water and just breathe it all in and de-stress. So I love using this in the bath. I always give these as gifts. I think they're really nice and they have all different scents. This one is my favorite. And then we just have a few eye products. So I finished 2 eyeliners. One I am not so keen on, and that is this one. Unfortunately, this is one that I bought because Tati Westbrook here on YouTube recommended it. It does dry out so fast, and she mentioned that, but like extremely fast. Like I think the first time, ow! I think the first time I used this, it was already starting to dry out. And it is the Essence Superfine Waterproof felt tip pen, and the pen is way too long. I mean, I don't want something that's that long or thick. It doesn't bend very easily, and I just don't think it's even worth like the $3 that it is, because it dries out so quickly. So that will not be repurchased. This other liner that I finished, I will definitely repurchase once I finish with my others, but this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Liner Noir, and it has a much thinner brush, you can see there. It's also a lot more flexible, and there's still some pigment on there. It just gets patchy by the time I'm done with one of my eyes because it's just run out. So I really like that one though, highly recommend. It's a drugstore one, a little pricier than the Essence, but definitely worth the extra couple bucks. And lastly are my 2 Maybelline Total Temptation products that I love both, and I will repurchase them both. This is the Total Temptations Brow Definer in Blonde. So it looks like this. It has a spoolie on one end. It's a little fat, but I can deal. I have my own spoolies. And then there's nothing left, but it's a wedged eyeliner pencil. So it looks like this. Triangle shape, really easy for getting in there and creating the brow that you want. And the color for a blonde like me works really well. It's ashy and it's not too orange, so I really like that pencil. You've seen this in tutorials. I love this. This is in black. The brush is just awesome. It's nice and spread out. and gives you a lot of great volume, so I really like this mascara. Super cheap, and I will repurchase this for sure. My other mascaras right now, I'm like, please, I cannot deal with you because this is my all-time fave. I tried to use it and it's too dry, so I had to give it up. But it's really good. Those are all my empties right now. So just a few bath products and a few eye products. I've used them all up. I have kind of tested them in as far as what I'm looking for in products. And those are my reviews of if I would buy it or say bye 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 bye. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please be sure to click the bell next to the subscribe button. That ensures that you'll get my videos as they come out on Wednesday and Saturday. Bye!